Hello everyone, welcome to the We Greek official YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around our website, as you can see. We also have a Discord, so you can join that as well. The link will be in the description. So as you can see on the We Greek website, you can make a post or a Wikipedia thing about the Greek god. So I'm just going to make a post to show you what it's like. So here you can enter the title. Test for a video. And in the body I can write whatever I want, so let's do that, and then all I have to do is click make post, and then it will be there. Look, that's me, by the way. Test for a video. This is for the latest video on the We Greek channel. And you can look around all the different posts as well. So we can look at all the posts. See, we've got 4 at the moment. There's my one here. But yeah, and then we've got wikis, and here's the wiki we have at the moment, which is on Apollo, and if you go to the website you'll be able to read that. But yeah, that was just a quick guide on how to get around the website. Hope it was useful for you. The link to the website and our Discord will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.